Hi bakers, I'm Crystal the Cake Lady, and today I have a very special guest with me. This is my cousin. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name's Amber.
And I hear that Amber is really good in the kitchen, so I'm really excited to have her here with me for my Valentine's Day cake episode. Are you dying to know what we're going to be doing for the Valentine's Day cake?
Yes.
So we're going to be making what's called a sprinkle explosion cake. Do you think you can tell everybody what that is?
I think it's a cake where when you slice into the cake, a bunch of sprinkles pour out.
That's exactly right. A while back, a friend of mine gave me this lovely book, and I've been dying to try this technique ever since. So we're going to be working on it today. Let me go ahead and show you what we're going to need. Okay, so I've baked up 4 different layers of cake. I've got red, dark pink, light pink, and white. I've got plenty of Valentine's Day color sprinkles, plenty of icing, which I dyed light pink. We've got a piping bag, we've got a little bit of marshmallow fondant, and a cookie cutter in the shape of a heart. I've got a biscuit cutter here, which we're going to use to hollow out the middle for the sprinkles to go in. Rubber spatula, a couple of cake spatulas, and a rolling pin. Okay, so the very first step is to go ahead and cut a circle with a biscuit cutter out of the bottom 3 layers of cake. So we're going to do the red, the dark pink, and the light pink, but we're going to leave this one intact because it'll be our top layer, okay? All right, so go ahead and use this, Amber, and try to get right in the middle and go ahead and press down, and yeah. There you go. We'll pop it out from underneath.
Ooh, some cake to eat.
Yes, these are scraps for us to enjoy later. Okay, so we have cut out the holes where the sprinkles are going to go. The next step is to go ahead and add icing to these layers. So I'm going to show you how to do it, Amber, and then I'll let you practice on the next couple layers, okay?
Okay.
I've got some icing in a piping bag here.
That's a lot of icing.
A lot of icing. We're just going to kind of squeeze out all around. And it's okay if it goes out over the edge just a little bit. That's not a problem at all, okay?
It's making my mouth water.
All right, do you think you can do that on the next layer?
I think so.
Okay, so sometimes if it's not just perfect, you can kind of take the spatula and smooth it out a little bit.
Okay. Kind of looks like one of those little croissant thingies.
Yeah, it looks like a big donut, doesn't it? All right, so do our last layer. Okay, why don't you go ahead and do the icing on that one just like you did the other.
I can't wait to get the sprinkles in here.
Okay, Amber, why don't you take the spatula and kind of spread out the icing evenly on that layer. Turn it as you go. There you go. All right, let's just make sure it's not too close to the middle because that's where the sprinkles need to go.
That was fun.
You like that?
Yeah.
All right, now is the fun part. We're going to take our sprinkles and we have them in a container with a spout and we're going to pour them right into the middle. Do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
All right.
What?
Okay, Amber, go ahead and pour those in there. Okay, so the cake is all filled with the sprinkles in the middle.
Ooh.
Can you go ahead and take this cake and plop it right on the top? Ready?
I'll try.
Perfect. Okay, Amber has been telling me that she's really excited about working with fondant, so we're going to make a giant conversation heart for the middle of the cake. We've got our cookie cutter in the shape of a heart. We've got a little bit of powdered sugar and a rolling pin. You ready? All right, so first we're going to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on the work surface. And let's put a little bit on the surface of the fondant too.
So it's not sticky?
Exactly. Okay, so Amber has made our heart out of fondant. We're going to go ahead and put it right on top of the cake. And what did you decide you wanted it to say, Amber?
I wanted it to say "Be mine."
Okay.
I think it's the most traditional word you could put on there.
I like it. Amber, do you like the way our sprinkle cake turned out?
Yeah, I love it. I can't wait to cut into it.
You ready to cut into it?
Yeah. Who could that be?
I don't know. We better see who it is.
Yeah.
Well, look who got here just in time for cake.
Auntie Crystal's favorite nephew.
This is my favorite nephew, Wyatt. He's been in one of my videos before.
And my cousin.
That's right. You and Wyatt are cousins, Amber. Well, we're getting ready to cut into a cake. Would you like a piece?
Love a piece.
Yeah, but there's a surprise inside the cake.
Love surprises.
All right. You guys ready?
Yep. Oh, I hear it. It's gonna be awesome.
There we go.
Oh, that looks awesome.
All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I don't know about you, but I've had a lot of fun making the sprinkle cake together.
I've had a lot of fun too. Thanks for letting me.
You're welcome. And Wyatt, thanks for stopping by, making a little cameo appearance. Now forgive us, we're about to go dig into this cake, but until next time,
Happy baking!